Imagine a soft, fluffy golden bread filled with spiced chicken and creamy cheese. That's exactly what we're gonna make today. Hello Mancun fam, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making chicken fajita bread, a recipe that's bursting with bold spices, creamy texture and cheesy goodness. It's easy to make and absolutely worth it. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the star of the recipe, our flavorful chicken filling. In a bowl, combine salt, paprika powder, black pepper, garlic powder, curry powder, lemon juice, cumin powder, cayenne powder, onion powder, and dry oregano. Mix well and add chicken breast cut into thin strips. Coat the chicken thoroughly and marinate for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors infuse. Before we move on to the bread dough, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more flavorful recipes. Now let's make the soft bread dough. In a large bowl, pour warm water, warm milk, instant dry yeast, an egg, sugar, and oil. Add all-purpose flour and salt. Mix with a spoon. Then knead by hand. Knead until the dough is no longer sticky. Dust the countertop and knead for another 5 to 10 minutes using the stretch and fold method. Grease a bowl and the dough with oil. Cover it and place it in a warm spot to let it rise. Let it rise for 1 hour or until doubled in size. While the dough is rising, let's prepare the chicken filling. In a pan, heat some oil and add the marinated chicken. Saute for 5 minutes. Add a little water, cover and cook on medium heat for another 5 minutes or until it's tender. Once the water reduces, add sliced onions, capsicums, and red bell pepper. It's optional. Saute for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and stir in some cream for richness and binding. Let the mixture cool to room temperature. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit. I transferred the dough to a larger bowl because the previous one was too small. Once the dough has risen, punch it down to release air, dust with flour and knead briefly. Divide into 4 equal portions and roll each into a ball. Take one dough ball, roll it into oval shape and shape it. Fill it with the cooked chicken and cheese. I'm using cheddar and mozzarella, but you can use any cheese of your choice. Fold the dough from the top and bottom. Then fold one side over the other. securing the edges by pressing firmly. Place the shaped breads on baking tray lined with parchment paper. Brush each bread with a mixture of egg yolk and milk. Then sprinkle with white and black sesame seeds. Bake in preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And here it is, our freshly baked chicken fajita bread. The golden crust, the cheesy filling, and the aroma are absolutely irresistible. Let's open it up. Wow, look at that soft bread and flavorful filling. It's tasting time. It's so soft, rich, and absolutely delicious. This recipe is must try and perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lemon Cone for more amazing recipes, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.